Meet Francis Johnson, born in 1792 in Philadelphia, a musical genius who would become the father of the American pop concert. His compositions ranged from lively cotillions to elegant waltzes, setting the stage for a new era in music. In a racially divided America, Johnson faced prejudice at every turn. Yet, he found his voice through music, performing at balls and social events where his talent could not be ignored. Johnson shattered norms by publishing sheet music and leading one of America's first racially integrated bands. In 1837, he led a groundbreaking European tour. Performing for Queen Victoria at Buckingham Palace, he dazzled the audience with his cornet solos. She was so impressed she gifted Johnson a silver bugle. Back in America, Johnson faced a hostile mob in St. Louis, but stood firm with his band, using music to resist racism and promote unity. Francis Johnson was the first American to advertise his concerts by introducing playbills and drawing large integrated crowds to his Philadelphia Promenade events, creating the first American pop concerts.